Hello fitness enthusiasts! Are you tired of long gym hours? Do you struggle to find time for exercise? I have an exciting solution for you. It's called the SPORTLIMIT Electronic Muscle Stimulator. This innovative device brings the gym to your home. It helps you achieve a toned physique without spending hours working out. SPORTLIMIT is perfect for busy individuals. It's also great for those who want a quick and effective workout. In this essay, we'll explore the amazing benefits of SPORTLIMIT. Get ready to discover a new way to achieve your fitness goals. The SPORTLIMIT EMS system comes in a sleek and compact box. Inside, you'll find everything you need for an incredible workout experience. The box contains 3 muscle stimulation units. The larger unit is for your abs. 2 smaller units target your arms or legs. There's also a set of adhesive gel pads. These attach the units to your skin. A USB charging cable is included, letting you conveniently charge your device. And of course, a user manual provides clear instructions on how to use the SPORTLIMIT effectively and safely. The packaging is well designed, keeping all the components organized and protected. SPORTLIMIT utilizes electronic muscle stimulation, or EMS technology. EMS has been used by athletes and physical therapists for years. It's a proven method for muscle rehabilitation and strengthening. But how does EMS work? The SPORTLIMIT device sends electrical impulses to your muscles. These impulses mimic the signals your brain sends during a workout. The result? Your muscles contract and relax, simulating a real workout experience. EMS technology offers a safe and effective way to engage your muscles. It helps improve strength and tone. The SPORTLIMIT EMS device comes with several impressive features. These features allow you to customize your workouts. First, there are 6 different modes to choose from. These modes offer varying levels of intensity and stimulation patterns. You can select the mode that best suits your fitness level and goals. Second, you can adjust the intensity level. There are 10 levels to choose from. Start with a lower intensity and gradually increase it as you progress. This gradual increase allows your muscles to adapt to the stimulation. Section 5. My SPORTLIMIT journey. I was eager to experience the benefits of SPORTLIMIT firsthand. I incorporated it into my fitness routine. I wanted to see what all the hype was about. I started by using it on my abdominal muscles. I used it for 20 minutes each day. The sensation took some getting used to. It felt like a gentle, tingling sensation. But I didn't experience any pain or discomfort. I also used SPORTLIMIT on my arms and legs. It effectively engaged my muscles. It felt like I had done a real workout. I was impressed with the results. Section 6. Fitness on the go. One of the biggest advantages of SPORTLIMIT is its convenience. The device is lightweight and portable. You can easily take it with you wherever you go. I loved being able to use SPORTLIMIT while multitasking. I could easily wear it while doing chores around the house. I even used it while catching up on my favorite TV shows. With SPORTLIMIT, you don't need to carve out hours for the gym. You can fit in a quick and effective workout anytime, anywhere. Section 7. The good and the not so good. Like any fitness product, SPORTLIMIT has its pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. SPORTLIMIT is incredibly easy to use. The device is straightforward, it only takes a few minutes to set up. It's also very affordable compared to expensive gym memberships. And as I mentioned before, it's incredibly convenient for busy individuals. However, there are a couple of downsides. The gel pads need to be replaced periodically. This can be an additional cost. And while SPORTLIMIT is great for supplementing your workouts, it's not a complete replacement for a full gym workout. Section 8. Ready to try SPORTLIMIT? Overall, I highly recommend the SPORTLIMIT Electronic Muscle Stimulator. It's a fantastic tool for anyone looking to tone their muscles and improve their fitness levels. If you're looking for a convenient, affordable, and effective way to work out, SPORTLIMIT is definitely worth considering. Visit their website today to learn more and make a purchase. You won't regret it.